Pop quiz. What are the things that will ultimately bring your Ontraport pages to life? Images and videos, of course. Want to know how to add them? Stay tuned. Let's go. Hey, peeps. This is Akila Pitts, your friendly neighborhood Ontraport certified consultant, systems strategist, and all-around helpful homegirl over at AkilaPitts.com, helping visionary entrepreneurs be able to automate their marketing, scale their business, and maximize their profits with the power of Ontraport. So if you fit that bill, you better hit subscribe so that you don't miss a moment of this automation awesomeness. So we have created our new Ontraport page. We've added blocks and elements. We've even edited those blocks and elements and things of that nature. But in order to bring our page to life, I mean truly communicate to our audience and touch our ideal customer, we need to add some images and videos to that Ontraport page, because trust me, nobody wants to land on a page that looks like a textbook, okay? Give me some images, give me some life, okay? And let's add that to your Ontraport page. So what we're going to do is we're going to head on over to Ontraport, and I'm going to show you how to add images and videos to your Ontraport page. Let's go. Now it's time to add some images to your Ontraport page. So if we go ahead and hit add block, for the sake of this example, I'm going to use the build your own block option. And as we went through a previous video, you have different elements that you can choose from here. This time I'm going to drag and drop the image elements side by side. So now I have two images that I can add. If I click change image, then I can select this image right here to add to the page. And then here I can add a different image. Apparently I am in a jiffy kind of mood. So now I have my two images here. Let's say I wanted to make this a little bit smaller so that it kind of lines up right with this image. I can come right here, hold my button down, and kind of resize it a little bit so that it is about the size of this other image. If I wanted to do any more type of customization to the image, I can click here on the gear icon. Here I can make it linkable. I can go a little deeper with the style and positioning of it. I can do a whole bunch of stuff as far as this one image is concerned. And once I'm done, hit the check mark. And then I can do the same thing or something completely different with this image. That's what is the beauty of it, that you can edit these images separately. And as you can see, you have the ability not only edit the image, you can move the image around. Like if I want to move this over here, you see they can either be top or bottom, or I can just move this back up here and then they can be side to side. Once again, I can duplicate the image. So I can have multiple images there. And then when all said and done, I decide, no, this doesn't look right, I can delete this image. Okay, so let's say that you decide to yourself, you just want this image here. But over here, you rather add a video. If you go ahead and delete this image, you can grab this video element and drop it here. Once it does a default load, if you click on the settings, you will land here where you can add the necessary provider that you're using, whether it's YouTube or any of these platforms or just a straight embed. And then you can set the settings here. You can also mess with the style and position of this video here. And once you're finished, you just go ahead and click done. And then your video and your image is all set to go on your Ontraport page. So that is how you can add both an image as well as a video to your Ontraport page. And we're back, and it's time to go about prettying up that page with all the images and videos that you desire to communicate the vision that you have for that page. So let me know in the comments below, do you plan on adding images? Do you plan on adding video? Do you plan on adding both? Because you and I both know that the possibilities are endless. So go ahead and share with me below exactly what you plan on adding to your new Ontraport page. So, did you like this video? Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of this automation awesomeness. Until next time, happy peeps, I'll see you soon. Take care.